everybody and welcome to my next review on the channel. In today's video I'll make a review about these two Liverpool jerseys. Both of them are player version, and not only I'll review and show every little detail on these jerseys, but I'll also show you the difference in size between a size S and the size M, so you can see exactly how much bigger is an M than an S, so you will know if you should go one size up at these player version jerseys. And also I have another review in which I compare an M in a player version with an M in fan version, so you can see the difference also between the two versions. But now let's start with these two jerseys. Both of them are the same. I'll show you the size S jersey. Here you can see it. It's a really beautiful jersey with Liverpool, and there is a customization on the back with one of the best signings of this summer. So here you can see, let's start with the top of the jersey with this beautiful white color. Here, as you can see, it's a really elastic, comfortable material. Here you can see that it's dry fit technology, the size, the Nike logo, the embroidery here, it's really nice, really well made. And now let's go to the Liverpool logo, which is also really beautiful. It's not embroidered, so it's some kind of a plastic material, glued or heat pressed to the jersey. It's nice to touch, and also the Nike logo is similar to that one. It's a really nice, and of course the sponsor logo heat pressed on the chest of the jersey, and on the bottom this engineered little badge, as you can see. But one of the best things about player version jerseys is their material. So they are really elastic, as you can see. They have these patterns on it. You probably can see it with these different stripes, this design. Somehow they are in the material of the jersey, and they also have some small holes in the material. I don't know if you can see it, probably for your body to feel better. And the sleeve also with this elastic material here, and the Expedia logo heat pressed here on the left sleeve, as you can see. So these come for free with the jersey, you don't need to add them. But as I said, one of the best things is the material. As you can see, it's so elastic, so nice. I really like it, and this is why I always play in player version jerseys. But now let's go to the back of the jersey, which is customized with Szoboszlai, one of the best signings of this summer, who has scored some stunning goals already for Liverpool, and number 8. Now let's see the customization with this beautiful 8 with these stripes, the original font of the Premier League for Liverpool with this Premier League logo. And of course this one is the Premier League font, it's heat pressed, and it's a very good material, both the number and the letters and every little detail also on the jersey. It's made with highest precision, even this small thing on the neck. And now I will compare, as I said, the two jerseys. As I said, exactly the same customization, same everything except the size. So this one is size M, this one is size S. So this is the difference between two sizes S and M. But I also measure it so you will see it better. Size S, Nike and player version. Here the height is 69 centimeters. Here it's 44 centimeters, and here the width is 47 centimeters. So this would be about the size S and the size M. Let's see. So the height here it's 71, so 2 centimeters difference, and here it's 46, so again I think 2 centimeters, and yeah, here the width is 49, so everywhere it's 2 centimeters difference in height and in width. So that's approximately, let's say, the difference between two sizes. So this would be all about these two beautiful jerseys, and if you want to order these or any other jerseys, then you can create an account with my invitation link and you will get $5 for your first order, which is pretty good considering how cheap these jerseys are. If you like this review and want to see some more reviews, subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you, goodbye.